won't believe what Sandra did to me. Just 1,000 naira of her. You need to see.
Shut up. Look at you. Like you are a big fool. You are a fool. If you are not a fool, how can you insult your wife in a public? You even disgrace her.
What? We are here now. I will tell myself.
You really want to do this?
Yes, I want to do it here. What is this?
You're disgracing me.
Let me disgrace you. I will shout. Everybody here. What is this? What are you looking at? Get out. I'm a fool.
Hey, I want you to make sure that you keep our customers' room clean. I mean the bedsheet, their rooms, their toilet and everything. And above all, I want you to give them good services. What did I say? Good services. I mean good quality services, right?
She doesn't trust me. She's always insecure. She thinks I'm looking at other women.
What's the problem with this love stuff, bro? I tell you, it's a love that's calm. You don't want to do it? Try it! No. Try it this time. Let me warn you. If I lose my job, you lose me.
Don't even try. Don't even try. Come. See your life? Look at you. So this is your 1 naira you are receiving here now. You choose to invest it inside Anus. Hey! What is all